Hey guys, today I want to show you how to record videos on your Dell Venue with Screencast-O-Matic and Epic Pen. Very first thing I want to show you how to do is open Epic Pen. So you can go to your Windows screen, just like this, little button on the side or the Windows key on your keyboard if it's still attached. Scroll down and then go over, and everything here should be sorted alphabetically by name. So Epic Pen is right in here. It starts with an E. Click it. And then this will pop up. It'll ask you to update. Eventually we will update, but not just yet. So go ahead and click the X up there, and you'll have these things. You can move this wherever you want so it's out of your way. Epic Pen is pretty cool. It basically turns your venue into a smartboard. So if you just click the little pencil there, you can write on your board. You can click the trash can to erase everything, or if you only made a small mistake, you can press the eraser and erase whatever marks you put there. Okay. Epic Pen is pretty easy to use. It's pretty nice. You can change your colors, change the pen style, change the pen size, stuff like that. It's pretty simple. We'll play with that more a little bit. Right now, the other thing I want to show you how to use is Screencast-O-Matic. And open that, it's the same way. You press your Windows key. Scroll down, move over, again, it starts with an S, Screencast-O-Matic. It's right in here. Okay. I already have it running, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like after you click it. Go back to the desktop. I took a few screenshots earlier. So right here is one screenshot. When you first open it, this will pop up. You're going to want to press Free Recorder on this, okay? Free Recorder. And then after that, this will open eventually on the bottom left. As you can see, if you look down, I have it set to screen. You have screen, webcam, or both. Usually you're not going to record your face. Sometimes you will, but most of the time you won't want to. So usually just pick screen, and you can't change the max time, but the size. Right now I have it set to full screen. You have a couple options there. Full screen is best for showing people how to record something or people how to do something if you need space. It's good for math topics. It's good to show them browser windows and pictures and things like that, just like we're doing. So I set it to full screen. And then after that, once I've got all of the full screen set and I'm on screen mode for record, I go down to the bottom and I click this little red record button. Okay? Once I do that, you'll notice that if I go back to my desktop, press the home key, hit desktop, see this down here in the bottom left, there's a little red circle with a countdown next to it. That tells you that Screencast-O-Matic is recording still. And it tells you how long it's been, and if you need to pause it, you just press that little pause button. And it's pretty cool because you can pause it whenever you want. If someone starts talking to you or something like that, or you need to say something you don't want in the video, or you need to go find something, or you need to stop recording for whatever reason, you can press that pause button and it will save your video, and when you're ready to come back you can just press go again and it will add it to the same video file. Okay? So when you're making your video, we're doing a lot of math, a lot of social science, a lot of science stuff, but if you're doing a math concept, let's say you want to teach someone about subtraction with regrouping. Great way to do that would be to show them some example problems and explain to them exactly what you're doing step by step. So it could be something like 21 minus 13. Okay? And you want to walk them through everything. So we know the first step that we do is we draw our T-chart. It's like this with our 1s and our 10s. And you can do these in different colors if you want to help them stand out. And we know that we can't, if we do 1 minus 3, we always start in our 1s. 1 minus 3 we can't do. If we draw our pictures, we have one circle. We can't cross out 3. So that means we need to go to our 10s place. We have two 10s on the top. If we take one of those away, we'll have one left. We bring that 10 over here, and we do 10 plus 1, which makes 11. And so we could draw 10 more circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we can cross out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. We count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 left. So we know that goes there. We have 1 minus 1, which is 0. So 21 minus 13 is 8. And that's how we do subtraction with regrouping. And if I were going to continue making a video to teach someone how to do this, I would do some more examples. I'd probably make them a little bit harder as we moved on. And I'd just show them the different possibilities. Probably go into hundreds and thousands. All the stuff we've learned in class. And so that's what you want to do. You want to try to remember that you're teaching someone with these videos. They're to help you learn, yes. But also if someone goes on YouTube or on our Google Classroom page and they see these videos, we want them to come away knowing something, practicing something. And so that should be your goal. So that means everything you say on here needs to be polite, respectful, and geared towards educating your audience. So if someone is talking to you while you're doing this, or if you get interrupted, don't say anything you don't want recorded. Just press the pause button, come back to it later. Okay? Alright. So, I'm going to teach you how to save this now. Okay? So, when you're done, you're going to go down to the bottom left and press the little pause button. Okay, so after you press the pause button, or the stop button, the done button, you'll press the pause button, and you'll press this little done button down here on the right next to the trash can. After you do that, this screen will pop up, and you're going to want to click Save as Video File. Okay, and after you click Save as Video File, this will pop up, and this is where you can change the recording, all that stuff. But after that, you just click the Publish button right here, the green one, and then once that's done, this screen will pop up, and this little blue status bar will slowly fill up until there's a check mark here, and you can click Done. Once you've done that, it will save automatically to your desktop right here. Okay, and so now you have your video. Eventually we'll talk about editing it using Movie Maker, but right now let's just talk about uploading it. Okay? We're going to use Google Drive to upload our videos. So the very first step we do right here on the desktop, you see Google Chrome right here. We're going to double click that and open Google Chrome. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and close Epic Pen because we shouldn't need it anymore. Alright, and so it's asking us to log in to our accounts, which is what it usually does. We're just going to skip this for a minute, and we're going to go to Google Drive. And you can get there just by typing Google Drive in a search, or I can give you the web address. See, I misspelled that, and Google's smart enough to figure out that this is what I want. So you can go to google.com/drive or drive.google.com, but just do a Google search. If you get to this page, click the blue Go to Google Drive button. And it's asking us this. I'm going to add my account. Okay? So I click Add Account, and I type in my Google email address. Mine's a little different from yours. And then you type in your password. You click Sign In. Make sure you do not check Stay Signed In. So now it's loading Google Drive. It's loading. And it's loaded. Okay. And I have a folder called Student Created Videos on my Google Drive. So anything you guys send me will go there. Some of you have already tried making a few videos, and they're there already. So we're going to keep working on it. Whatever you send me, I'm going to put there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this like that. The way I do that is I press this middle button right here, and it makes it smaller. I take my mouse on the blue bar, and I drag it over till my mouse hits the edge of the screen, and I see this white box around it. I let it go, and it does that. And so now, if I want to share this video that we've made, I simply take it from here, I click on it, and I keep holding down my button, and I use the mouse to drag it over until it says copy, or this little cloud pops up, and I just let it go. And it uploads it. Takes a few seconds, and then it's done. It's in my Google Drive. I can close that, and then right down here, this little status window where it says Uploads Complete, has a button that says Click Share. So I click Share, and then you're sharing this with me. So all you're going to do is type in Matthew.Harbert, and this should pop up. You just click it, and then click the blue Send button. That's it. I'll get an email, I'll be able to look at it, I'll be able to put it on YouTube or wherever we want to put it, show it to the class, whatever we choose to do. Okay, so hopefully this has been helpful, and hopefully we can make some good videos this week and next. So, remember, Screencast-O-Matic and Epic Pen are the tools you want to use. So, if you have any questions, please come see me.